invest an initial $100 billion.
And Meta has spent $31 billion in the
dominant in the artificial intelligence
to boost its AI revenue outlook for the full year. But
hey, what's good, wealth builders? Welcome back to Be Rich Formulas, your go-to spot for the hottest trends in finance and investing. Today, we're diving into the future with a banger. AI stocks to watch in 2025? Could one of these be the next Nvidia? AI is the hottest sector on Wall Street, and Nvidia's stock skyrocketed 1,480% in 5 years. Can another company pull that off? Stick around as we unpack the top AI stocks with explosive potential, backed by the latest news and what's trending online. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay in the loop. AI party is far from over. First, let's talk about why AI is the sector to watch. Artificial intelligence is transforming everything: self-driving cars, chatbots, even your Netflix recommendations. In 2025, AI is expected to add $15 trillion to the global economy, and companies are pouring billions into it. Just look at big tech. Microsoft's dropping $80 billion on AI data centers, Google's spending $75 billion, and Meta's upping its budget to $68 billion. That's over $220 billion in AI infrastructure alone. Nvidia has been the king. With its AI chips powering this boom, its stocks up 185% in 2024 alone. But with Nvidia's valuation at $3 trillion, some say it's priced to perfection. Ex-users are hyping other AI plays, saying stocks like AMD and Broadcom could steal the spotlight. So AI is not just a buzzword, it's a money-making machine. But who's the next Nvidia? To find the next Nvidia, let's break down why it exploded. Nvidia's GPUs dominate AI data centers with 80% market share. Its revenues soared from $7 billion in 2019 to over $100 billion projected for 2025, with 6 straight quarters of triple-digit growth. Customers. But here's the catch. Nvidia's stock is down 15% in 2025 due to tariff fears and competition from AMD and Huawei. At 25x forward earnings, it's cheaper than its 40x average, but some say the easy gains are done. So, we're hunting for companies with Nvidia-like traits: cutting-edge tech, strong growth, and room to run. Let's meet the contenders. AMD growth potential. First up, Advanced Micro Devices, ticker AMD. AMD's Nvidia's biggest rival in AI chips, and it's gaining ground fast. Its MI300X GPU is winning over giants like Oracle, Meta, and Microsoft, and AMD's projecting $4 billion in AI chip sales for 2025. In its latest earnings, AMD's data center segment grew 80% year over year, outpacing gaming and embedded losses. Ex-users are bullish. AMD's AI accelerators could grow at a 40% CAGR through 2029 thanks to TSMC's ramp-up. Risks? AMD's gaming segment's down 58%, and tariff hits could cost $1.5 billion in China sales. But with AI demand exploding, AMD's a strong bet to ride Nvidia's coattails. Next, we've got Broadcom, ticker AVGO. Broadcom's not just chips, it's a networking and software beast powering AI infrastructure. Its AI revenue hit $3 billion last quarter, and analysts like Seaport's Jay Goldberg gave it a buy rating over Nvidia, citing its various AI story. Broadcom's networking gear connects AI data centers, and its VMware acquisition boosts enterprise AI software. Recent earnings showed 20% annualized growth, and some call Broadcom a top AI hardware pick alongside Nvidia. If the chip cycle slows, it could face downside. Still, with AI servers expected to hit $298 billion in 2025, Broadcom's in the sweet spot. Could it outshine Nvidia? Maybe not, but it's a heavy hitter. Now, let's talk software. Palantir Technologies, ticker PLTR. Unlike Nvidia's hardware, Palantir's AI platform, AIP, crunches data for businesses and governments. Its stock's up 340% in 2024, and some analysts call it the best AI solution for businesses. Palantir's government contracts, like with the Pentagon, give it stability, but its commercial growth up 40% last quarter is the real kicker. The catch? Its stock's pricey at a 100x PE, and a 15% drop after earnings shows valuation concerns. Still, with AI software adoption soaring, Palantir's growth mirrors Nvidia's early days when it pivoted to AI. It's a risky bet, but the upside's massive. For a wild card, check out SoundHound AI, ticker Sound. This small cap's voice AI powers cars, restaurants, and devices, and it's forecasting 97% revenue growth to 167 million in 2025. Nvidia held a stake but sold out in 2024, which spooked investors, sending the stock down 60% from its high. Sentiment's mixed. Some see it as a speculative play, but others say its Q1 earnings on May 8th could be a catalyst. At a 38x price-to-sales ratio, it's pricier than Nvidia, and losses could mean dilution. But if SoundHound nails its forecast, it's got that Nvidia-like moonshot vibe. High risk, high reward, perfect for aggressive investors. So who's the next Nvidia? Here's the breakdown. AMD. Best for chip investors wanting Nvidia's rival at a discount. Solid growth, but tariff risks loom. Broadcom. Perfect for diversified AI exposure chips, networking, software. Pricey stable goal. Palantir. Ideal for software fans chasing explosive enterprise AI growth, risky evaluation. SoundHound. A speculative bet for small cap lovers with Nvidia level upside if it delivers. My take, diversify across AMD and Broadcom for balance, with a small Palantir position for growth. SoundHound's a gamble wait for earnings. AI is a gold mine, but do your homework and only invest what you can afford to lose. Nvidia is still a beast, but these stocks could be the next big thing. That's a wrap on AI stocks to watch in 2025. Which one's your favorite, AMD, Broadcom, Palantir, or SoundHound? Drop it in the comments. If you loved this, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for more investing bangers. Want a deep dive on any of these stocks? Let me know. Follow me for market vibes, and I'll catch you in the next video. Keep building that wealth, and let's crush 2025.